Hi, Kate here from Divi Mobi first. In this video, we are going to show you how to achieve this parallax effect with Divi that actually works on your mobile device. So let's begin. For this layout, we use the regular section containers to host 5 parallax backgrounds, 3 of which are separated by a simple call to action module. Now, straight away, you'll notice that the images are not showing. Why is this, you may ask? The simple answer is that the images were not added the conventional way, using the background feature. We added our images to each section using a CSS class. And because the images are not showing on the builder, we added a color to the background of some of the sections as a visual aid. Each section was given a class name, and each class was given the following properties and values. The given values allowed the added images by URL to be fixed, covering the entire container, enabling it to be responsive with the size of the screen. To adjust the area of focus for the image, the background position property can be applied. The images used were taken from pexels.com. The second image is the same as the first, but some editing was done to it. We visited pixlr.com and used their free online editor to add a blur effect to the image. We then downloaded the image file, uploaded it to our WordPress media library, copied the URL, and pasted it as the background URL for the class associated with this particular section container. This is what gives us the effect that you see here. For the other classes, simply add the URL for the image you desired. Change the height if you wish, and then simply save your layout. It must be noted that you can use IDs instead of classes, but that is entirely up to you. The code for the CSS class can be added in this manner, as you see here, by placing it in a style tag within its own section. Ensure that added section does not offset your layout. Simply set the height to 0 and the top and bottom padding also to 0. Another way you can add the CSS code is to add it to the page CSS. If the effect is site-wide, then you can add it to your custom CSS within the Divi option settings. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Enjoy, and thank you for listening.